Kalento kanti 10 minutes yenza mukenze nje. Because le ngesicede ukuyishaya 13 minutes.
It goes back to default settings.
Oh.
Understand.
Umuntu ufuneka ushaya ikhadi mfana.
Ngakale yami ufuna iphephu.
Card. Like you die. I think I enjoy my stuntman. So yeah, guys. Before I go cook, my nigga, this is what my nigga was saying earlier. So if you are tired of blowing accounts at home, you can come.
I'm just this profits.
Cishe ngathi to screen bacela kahle ufuna ukuyifaka yo. Yeah, and it's straight and it's not even lacking or
But you know, it's experience.
Nice.
See, guys, some other jobs must take them so you gain experience. See, I was working at a construction, and now look. All this shit.
Ama-Crocs asefashionini bafethu.
And I could not spend the color, but no one wanted to buy them.
The bumpers fail. Mara 99 macala le pathule minjalo. But singalahli lele though. Ngisifika for these other two ones so vele sibabonise. I want this one. Ngisifika njengeni ya. Ayile ngathi izobancane. Awusikasiboni nokusibona iscreen. Mfana. Mara iphusha ama sales though kuyabona ukuthi ibatla u shapari sales. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go cook fast and then reshape the refreshments with my guy after while we are waiting for the surprise. You'll see the surprise is gonna come. But as you can see, here's the prices. The Proposa video, the check a grand. Here's the ones for the studio this side. And then this one is for trading. And this one is for Xbox, the disc, the rugby. Watch it this side.
And you're gonna add the prices for the food.
The food is coming. It's coming.
It's coming faster.
I'm a fan. See, Shay, let's set up and.
Just need 2 more screens.
One more.
I mean,
one kiss. Kiss. Oh, even when we are printing, guys, you record the charger.
What about the CV?
I look like a shembe one.
We must buy our own machine and I'll touch you.
Yes, Lentole. You know, I try to leave my hair like this because as literally much that but we sharp line my calamona now. Bagshay swim kariba shapa line ya Rolls Royce. Abona iline via so. Yabo mawufuna uthola intwana abo wakunda intwana ibe namasimba ungangikunda. Ngifuna ukubona kucala. Yabona le ngishaya i-tattoo didn't wanna see first on the day. Ngabhali bacela bona sengishaya ama-what. So mongashaya umuntu macala should angishaya uGhost. Yes. I feel guys, let me go show you how to cook in I might take time to cook. I write an episode or two. Okay, address and the email. So please email, book your appointment. Don't just come.
Upfront.
Yeah, pay up front because we don't want people that be like, I've cancelled. Something came up and we already reserved your spot for you. Here's already the client agreement. What you see is waiting for you in the envelope. So we are not fucking around. Yeah. Or we can come advertise your business here. You see, we're gonna frame it here. We charge you like 5 clipper once off, for lifetime. You see, when we're slamming content, so your logo's gonna be famous, people gonna slam videos as well. 5 clipper once off, It's the same money as a Hennessy, whatever. We'll give you extra We'll give you 30 minutes mahala for Xbox. Nje. Let's see how much that is. We'll give you 20 rand worth of a bonus. Akufani.
Imali ye-quarter.
I just set up. Yo, talking now, I was researching something. What's like, sheesh, what's like to make upstairs? Minimum is like 200, between 100 to 200 blocks. Like lighting up a slab, some roof, and I think it's 30 to 50 square meter room. Steps, cement, bricks. But you count your blessings. We talk about platinum in Jamaica. You see, guys, before I was a tree. I have 9 binjako though.
Right.
Abdullah Ishmael, Africa Regional Manager. Well, what is it today? It's a Wednesday. So, guys, please comment on please comment a creative way to make money besides the ones we just showed you. That's today's fun task. FMAS 25. I don't think. Magala, they're waiting for you, Mo Cape Town.